Hello, today we will guide you through how to add school email to Gmail. To begin, open Gmail and make sure you are already signed in to the account where you want to receive your school email. Starting from your inbox is helpful because it gives you direct access to all of Gmail's settings in one place. Once you're on the inbox screen, look to the top right corner of Gmail. There you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click it. This opens a quick settings panel where Gmail gives you access to some common options, but for this setup, we'll need to go a little deeper. In that panel, select See All Settings. This will open the full settings page where Gmail organizes all account options into tabs across the top. If you don't see the tab immediately, give the page a moment to load fully before moving on. Next, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This is the section of Gmail where you can manage connected email addresses and import mail from other accounts. It's the area you'll use when you want Gmail to check another inbox for you, such as a school email account. Once you're in Accounts and Import, look for the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Under that section, click Add an Email Account. This will open a new pop-up window where Gmail begins the process of linking your school email. From here, follow the on-screen procedure carefully. Gmail will guide you through entering your school email address and any other required account details. Depending on your school's email system, you may be asked for sign-in information, server settings, or permission to allow to access the account. Read each prompt closely and enter the information exactly as provided by your school. If your school uses a separate sign-in portal or additional verification, complete those steps as prompted. As you go, it's a good idea to double-check spelling and account details before continuing, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. If a pop-up doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking it. Once you finish the setup, Gmail should begin checking that school account and bringing messages into your inbox based on the options you selected during the process. That's it. You've now gone through the process of adding a school email to Gmail, making it easier to manage everything from one place.